Okay guys, so this is the first video I've ever done in the night. And let's get into the lamp so I can show you what I got yesterday at HEB. I got house. He comes with this super cool brush right there. Right there. Let's put photos right there. Let's see that. He has a fire-colored tail. He has a fire-colored tail. A glittery feather. This one's not glitter. And it comes off and it's a little bold right there. So let's put it on. And the ears are on the black tips. And black tips in the back. And pulls up more on the glitter. And she has a super cool collar. I'll show you a little bit more in the light. Just see that paw. And look at those claws. Oh, just look at those black lines. Just look at these lines. I need to get nail polish to remove those lines, so I just keep them there. And if not, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stop recording.